What's happening, guys? What a day, mate. Look at the view. It's roasting, mate. Absolutely cooking. POA for today. I'm absolutely knackered, mate. What's the time? Let's have a look. Oh, bloody hell. Bit late today. It's 5 to 9. 5 to 9. Ha, 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 ha. Staying alive. Alright, we'll cut to us when we're down at the restaurant getting our breakfast. Birch. Oh, yes. Thank you, darling.
It's okay like that?
Yeah, lovely.
Okay, thank you.
That's not beans.
No, that beans.
Where? No, not them ones.
I don't have the red. The red I don't have at the moment, just that.
What is that?
Try it, it's really nice.
Is it?
It's black beans. Black beans
Oh, okay.
are better than another one.
They're actually quite nice.
Yes, it's really nice.
That's actually really nice.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, I love that, thank you. Damn! We took refuge.
Don't taste it.
Go on then.
It's not out.
Oh, ain't it? Nice. We're kind of seeking refuge here until this passes. Cut back to me when we're actually able to get out of here. In a bit. Let's go and have a look down here. Turtle. This is where I see the big iguana yesterday. See if it's here again today. How long his tail is, look. You saying hello, mate? Probably not going to be in the same spot, obviously. It's not just going to stay there waiting for us to take pictures of it. And mate, so well camouflaged, it's untrue. It absolutely pelted. Oh my god, it's still there. Wow.
Pero grande.
Iguana. It's a big one.
See?
He was here yesterday. Man, I can't believe that iguana's still there. That is fantastic. Look how long his tail is. Crazy. I can't believe it's still there. That's mad. It's in the same position. The bird's back, the one that seems like a canary. That little bugger. There's another one, there's another one, there's another one. Right there. He's in the bush. It's beautiful. I'm on top of the world. Look at this. They're beautiful, isn't it? I just love how green it is. And at this section here you can see down to your left, which is down there, pan round to the right. It's literally like paradise. And this is the first hotel that I've ever been to that's got a nature reserve. Beautiful boy, mate. Look at him. Lovely. Is he still in the tree? Yep, he's still in the tree. He's come out a bit more now. Yesterday was the first time I saw one iguana. I've come out today on the nature trail and I've seen the same iguana in the same place, and I've also seen another iguana that was in a tree. How cool. It just makes you wonder, like this little place here is teeming with life. It's just trying to find the fuckers because they're so well camouflaged and they hide and they don't move. They're very slow moving. So finding them is a pain. I found another one. Wow. That's free. Free. Oh, brother. See what I mean? You just got to find them. They've probably been here all along, but they're so well camouflaged. Beautiful, aren't they, reptiles? Clever. And most of these iguanas, I'm sure they're herbivores, so they eat a lot of like leaves and vegan, mate. Vegan. I don't know. Is this like a mangrove or? Because it isn't open water, it's like a lake. There's a lot of coconuts in here though. If I stayed long enough, I'd try and get one. Another coconut down there, another coconut there. Obviously they've fallen off the trees into the water. Nice little nature reserve. Have a look at the little turtles before we go. Yeah, crazy, man. Some of the birds and the species here. I guess it's the Caribbean, isn't it? When we travel, we normally go Europe, Greece, Africa, Asia. We're going to Thailand next year. This is just breathtaking, mate. Beautiful just seeing birds living in their natural habitat untouched, and you can tell that it's untouched. There's no rubbish in the water, which is good. You're not allowed to feed, even though it's wildlife. There's massive signs that are saying don't feed. Anyway, that's enough for the trail. Hello, you okay? Get out of the way before I get run over. Oh, I've got another task now. Operation find my missus. Let's go. So, I'm all ready. We're just going to go out for some dinner. New crepes. I think I've worn them once at home. I've had them for about 6-7 months. We're undecisive on what to have to eat. I don't know what I fancy. What do you recommend? I fancy a bit of steak. I don't want to I don't want to go. We went to that restaurant yesterday and I had ribs. I don't want to go there today. I don't know what to have. Go Italian or to the buffet? Italian, buffet. Italian or the buffet? We'll see when I get downstairs. Wasi, nice to meet you.
Feliz Capriolinos.
I might go to the gym after my dinner. Pump some iron. What?
That is awesome, look at that.
Oh, where's my phone? Yeah, I've got it.
Good, because I wouldn't be like that.
Right, back to the food chart. Turn notifications on. No, thank you.
Up there to the right.
Oh, up there to the right. Restaurants and bars. Restaurants.
Okay, we've been to Fusion.
We've done that. We've done that. Done that. 11 till 6. That's close. That's snack bar. Right, how do we get back? Yeah, to the left. Back it up. Back it in. Let me begin.
I think the Italian's the best bet.
Tequila fajitas.
Oh god.
Creme brulee. Oh, can have that for me dessert. Nice. As Alan would say. I would that be. Sorry. Go to the Italian then, or should we go World Caf?
Italian, I reckon.
Alright, let's go and get a cab. Right, cut to us when we're on a golf buggy going 200 mile an hour in a little rocket machine. Because I'm going to be like that, son. To the moon. Peace. You gotta give it a twist. You gotta give it a rip. Gracias, amigo.
Oh, damn.
Many time, brother. Thank you, bro. Made it back to the Italian. I thought I'm gonna have what I had last time, barbecue chicken pizza. And I'm gonna go with Neapolitan chicken Milanese. Yeah, fried egg and French fries. Chicken, fried egg and French fries. Is that a pasta then? I'm having meatballs. I've just come out for a fag break. Just had me food. We're gonna go and have a dessert now. So, what do I think about it so far? I think it's lovely. The food's amazing, the people are amazing. The only downside for me is I can't sit still. It's not the hotel's problem. It's no one else's problem, it's my problem. I can't fault the hotel for anything. The bed, unbelievable. The food, unbelievable. The weather, no one's in control of it, but that's been brilliant. Except from today, we had a bit of a hurricane, but here we are. It's hurricane season. And look at it. The grounds are just immaculate, man. And lovely. So, would I come back? Yes, I would. 100%. I'm not leaving, by the way. Just giving you a little update on that. How I found it so far. I'd definitely come back. 100%. Other than that, I don't really know. That's where we're going, baby. First time for everything, boy. Let's go. 16. Oh no. Right, we didn't win that one. We're gonna go with 2 on 14, 2 on 30, 26. We're gonna do number 9 as well. Red, come on. Woo. 16. Ah, we lost that one. That's your birthday. Should have put it on. 5 on that, please. 12. Ah, no. That was a bad one. Okay. Come on, Ro, help me out. Pick some. On here. 3, 4, 5. 5 on there, yeah. We're not losing anything. It's what I would come in here with. Come on. What else? Pick some numbers. We'll go with 20. 30, put them on 36, and the last one I'm gonna do is 26. 1 to 12, 17. Ah, we lost it. That's the art, babe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 0. Shall I put 1 on zip? What's double zip? What's the difference? It's the same. Oh, it's the same. Ah, sweet. So if it, either one of them, it was a winner, yeah? Winner, chicken dinner. It's the same. Yeah.
If you play no side,
You lose everything. Ah. Shut up. Is that a good one? Is it? No, we're done now. We're finished. We're finished. Yeah, I can just hit jackpot though. I can't believe I've just done that.
So do we lose that?
Look, just to let you know, for reference, I've won. Are these mine as well? These ones? Mine, yeah? All of these. Fucking beautiful, mate. That is how you do it, mate. In and out, 15 minutes. I went in with 20 quid, come out with quid for it. Oi, that's how we roll, bro. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, you're right. And everyone started jumping on my table. Shit. Oi, I need to go Vegas, bro. That's sick. Hello, mate, you alright?
£10 for $10.
And I tipped her, I gave her dollars because I've never been in there and she gave me advice. Like, she said, this is how you play, and you know. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers, my dear. Cheers, my dear. Ah, mate, that was jokes. As soon as I hit my money, mate, I was out of there, mate. Gone. Bosh. Bolted, mate. Like Usain Bolt. Oh, I've got more money here. Right, it's only $1. I need $1, dollar, that's all I need. Yeah, yeah.
You can use English.
Oh. That's sick, bro. I'm gassed.